In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a collection in Smartsheet. First, open Smartsheet and go to your workspace area. This is where your main files, projects, and resources are organized. So starting here makes it much easier to keep everything in the right place. Once you're in Smartsheet, take a moment to locate the workspace where you want this collection to live. Choosing the correct workspace matters because it helps keep your content organized and ensures the collection is connected to the right team or project. Next, select the workspace where you want to create the collection. After you open it, look for the collections option. This is the area that allows you to group together different Smartsheet items into one easy to access view. Collections are especially useful when you want to share a set of related materials without sending people to each item one by one. Once you've opened the collections option, click Create Collection. This starts the setup process and gives you a place to build a curated group of resources. From here, begin adding the items you want to include. You can add sheets, reports, dashboards, or forms depending on what your audience needs to access. As you add these items, think about the experience from the user's perspective. The goal is to make it simple for them to find exactly what they need in one place without extra clutter or confusion. After your items have been added, the next step is to share the collection with the right people. Be careful here because sharing determines who can access the collection and what they'll be able to see. It's a good idea to double check that you're selecting the correct audience so the collection reaches the intended users while staying appropriately controlled. Finally, review the collection carefully to confirm that users only see the correct items. This last check is important because it helps you catch anything that may have been included by mistake or anything that should remain hidden from certain users. Open the collection as if you were the end user and make sure everything appears clear, relevant, and properly organized. Once that review is complete, your Smartsheet collection is ready to use. It's a simple but powerful way to bring related content together, improve navigation, and make sharing more efficient for everyone involved.